Are you tired for searching for the perfect home in Denver? So let me show you how buying a new construction could be your best option. In today's video, I will walk you through why purchasing a brand new home could be your smartest move and how it could give you the perfect blend and customization, modern features, and a peace of mind. So let's dive in and explore all the perks of going new. If you don't know who I am, my name is Deepo Phillips, your favorite Denver real estate agent. If you're a buyer, seller, investor, have any other questions, leave a comment below. So if you're a person moving to Denver, relocating in Denver, any question what's going on in Denver, leave a comment below or shoot me an email, which is at the bottom of this video. If you're a person relocating in 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months, and want to know about the Denver market, leave a comment below or shoot me an email. At the end of the day, I'm gonna want to be a resource and be your realtor for life. And also, before you run away, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm gonna be posting weekly content. First step is make sure you get pre-approved. Very, very important because you need to get pre-approved so you can know what you can afford. Then when you get pre-approved, you usually get a pre-approval from a lender. You can know the loan amount that you're approved for. You can go out and start looking at homes. But just don't make this mistake that you are out there just looking, don't even know what you qualify for. You find these homes with all these features, you love them, then you get pre-approved. You're like, damn, I can't afford this home because I thought I could afford this amount. So first step before you do anything, make sure you go out, get pre-approved, work with a lender, know what the loan amount, the ballpark idea is. So when you have that pre-approval amount, then you can go look for new construction homes and you can know what you can afford. Second step is make sure that you hire a realtor, because in these new construction home sites, the people who work in the office are salespeople. Like they represent behalf of the builder. They are going to have their best interest. They're not going to have your best interest. What they're going to do is they're going to sell you all the bells and whistles for them to jack up the sales price. And they're not going to break down the contracts, explain the terms, everything. So it's very, very important for you to have representation looking at these new construction homes so you could learn what you are getting yourself into. Third step is choosing the right builder. There's so many builders out there. You have Toll Brothers, Lenard, you have KB Homes. There's a bunch of builders out there. So you want to make sure that you do your homework and do your research and see what builder you want to work with. Or you can just, try every builder to see their style, what they do, what they're offering for purchasing a home. So make sure you do your research when you look at these new construction homes. Then you have floor plans. So these new construction homes, you have floor plans and you want to know the square footage because the more square foot it is, the more it costs. So when you go on these new construction sites and you find a builder, you are picking up floor plans. Like, how do I want kitchen concept layout? Do I want high ceilings? Do I want 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom? Do I want a basement? Do not want a basement? So you will pick out your floor plans and see how you want your home custom, because that's kind of like the first step when you are searching for these new construction homes. So after you pick out your floor plan, you're gonna pick out like what finishes you want. For cabinets, do you want dark cabinets? Do you want light cabinets? For countertops, do you want quartz? Do you want granite? And you're just gonna pick up all your finishes. You want like lights, like how do you want floors to be, hardwood floors, bathrooms. So you pick up your finishes. But be careful though, because these finishes, the more you pick, the more and more the price of the home is gonna cost. So be cautious what finishes that you pick in these homes. First step is you make an offer. Make an offer in this new construction home because you picked the layout, you picked out the finishes, everything. So what's going to happen is that they are going to have the builder contract, what the builder, the rules and regulation, then you have state contracts, you have a bunch of contracts. So it's very, very important to hire a realtor to go over these contracts and explain everything to you, because if you're going unrepresentative, yes, you have people who work in the sales office and they'll go over things with you, but they might not know all the full details that a realtor will know and break it down for you. By you having a realtor, they can negotiate on your behalf. So the first step, you want to understand the timelines and what to expect. So one thing which is very, very important in new construction home is the weather. Because let's say they told you your home is going to be done 10 and 12 months and they had weather hiccups, it takes a lot longer for them to build a home. Another thing you want to do, you want to make sure you get builder updates. So the person in the sales office is going to let you know, like, this is the timeline, what they're going to do to the home. Like, they're going to, when they're going to break ground for it, or when they're gonna do the framing or electrical and final touches. And as you as a person buying a new construction home, you're gonna get very, very excited and you want to like check. But make sure that you communicate with the sales office when's a good time for you to check, because you don't want to keep on going there every single week, bother the builder, because the builder's job is for them to build your home in a timely manner. So, and I know you're excited and you want to check out this home, but be very mindful when you go look at your new construction home. And so sixth step, buying a new construction home, is like you need to get an inspection. Make sure you hire someone who's a licensed inspector so they can look at the home. This is a very, very important. Why this is important? Because if you don't hire an inspector in a new construction home and you buy this home, and if things come up, the only person's fault is going to be you. And I know the new construction home, they do have people who work on site to make sure things are put together, building code, whatever, but it's always good to find that third party, find that person outside from a sales office to come in to work with you to inspect your home to make sure you live well. And the cool thing about it is like they're not really going to find that much because it's a new home, but they might find like little minor things. They must let you know like, hey, talk to the people in the sales office to fix this. Next step is that you want to get home insurance, because brand new construction home, and home insurance won't be as crazy as a resale property because everything's brand new. And yeah, just make sure you get home insurance. If you have any questions about home insurance companies, leave a comment below. I'll be glad to refer you to my partners who I work with. But home insurance is the next step. After you go through your new construction home, you blue tape it in, you need to get home insurance. Next step is a final walkthrough. So the reason why the final walkthrough is very important, because let's say, for example, you were closing on Friday, and you want to do the final walkthrough the day before. So you'll walk through to make sure that the week prior you went through and you put blue tape around the home that needs to be fixed. When you do the final walkthrough, you'll look through and make sure that they fixed the things that they said it fixed. If they didn't fix it, then you can let them know at the closing table that, hey, my property didn't get fixed. And the cool thing about it is that usually stuff in new construction homes, they have kind of like a year warranty for things that's covered that in this new construction home. And just make sure that you are reading your contract and see how long the home warranty is for appliances, the HVAC, everything. Just make sure that you read it line by line. And 10th and final step is closing your new construction home, and you made it through this journey. If it took 10 months, 12 months, who knows how long, you're at the closing table. Usually people usually close at a title company to sign documents. If you're an attorney state, you will have an attorney with you at the closing table. So this is the final step. You get your keys and you move into your new construction home. So I've talked about 10 steps of buying a new construction home. And if you're a person who wants to understand more about the new construction home, leave a comment below. If you're a person who can't find that perfect home and have questions about the new construction home, leave a comment below. If you're a person moving to Denver or relocated to Denver in 3 days, 3 months, 3 weeks, leave a comment below. At the end of the day, I just want to be research for you and realtor for life. And if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, share it to your peers, share it to people who are struggling and can't find that new construction home.